I should just give someone else a chance. Why should I sit alone and be sad while you fumble the best you ever?
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you are new. Today's video, we will be, as you can see, we're in the living room. This is going to be a clean and decorate for fall type of video today. See, I got on my fall shirt here, and I will link the video down of when I did a haul for this shirt. So if you like this shirt here, that link will be under that video that I will put in the description box down below. But yeah, we're gonna tidy up here in the living room, and then we're gonna go right into decorating for fall. So what I'm gonna do is wipe down the table, vacuum and sweep the floor, and then move some decor around, because this is where I got most of the decor just sitting around waiting to be put out. So the decor that I'm not going to use in here will be put over to the side to the next area that I would decorate in. And also this video will be in like a 2, maybe 3-part video. Right now it is raining, if you could probably hear just a little bit. Hurricane season. If you're in the areas that is affected, I pray for you all, because right now it's storming really bad. So be safe out there, okay? But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. It's not too bad in here, just need to vacuum and move some stuff around and wipe down the tables and the mantle and stuff like that, so we can get this decor up. So if you're ready, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up, and let's hop right into this video, y'all.
It's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart. Could've had it all, but you pushed me right into his arms. You wanted to break, I wanted to stay. Look what you made me give my love away. You made a mistake. Say that you've changed, but it's too late. I gave my love away. The facts. You're the one who left. I just quit taking you back. Maybe I should just give someone else a chance. Why should I sit here waiting on you? I am enough forever. Never type of it's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart. Could've had it all, but you pushed me right into his arms. You wanted to break, I wanted to stay. Look what you made me give my love away. Hey, you made a mistake. Say that you've changed, but I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire.
Okay, so I got everything right here on the couch. I'm trying to get y'all to see me too. Hold on. Let me slide y'all back some so you can see really, really good. Alright. So everything is laid on the couch. I got the garland for the mantle. And then I have these stems here. But I'm not sure if I'm going to use it in the vase that I was showing you earlier, which is this one here. And put it over there. Or use it in the kitchen in the vase that I have in there, which is a clear, simple vase for the kitchen table. So this tote right here is actually old decor from years that I've had. And this right here is a shower curtain I'm thinking about using in the bathroom. I'm not sure if I'm going to film that, but comment down below if you would like to see me film decorating that. And it's only going to be like a shower curtain and a cute little soap pump and that type of stuff there. Nothing too crazy. But in this tote, I have a lot of things in here, from this leaf cutting board and like so much more. This here. And I'm thinking about using this on the door outside instead of my other one, because I still can't find that one. I have a lot of stuff in here from collecting over the past 3-4 years. Chargers, I mean everything. This little dish here, I don't think I ever used this, and this was from Target 2 years ago. And you can see I'm still going with the same color schemes with a pop of blue here and there and neutral colors. So I'm going to incorporate a lot of old stuff. Yeah. Look at this stuff. Let me show y'all. So look at all this stuff I got in here. These little things here. And if you're new by here, if I can, I'm gonna link the old video that I used most of this decor that's in here before for fall here. I'm gonna link that so y'all can see how that looked as well, and how I kept with the same colors this year. But yeah, I have all of this in here, from the chargers, placemats, and I have placemats the same color as this charger here on the table already. So I may take those up and use the chargers in these placemats instead. Yeah, that may be a plan, but yeah. My little mug from Target Doll Spot 2 years ago, $3. Like, there's so much stuff in here. This pumpkin here. I can't remember where I got this one from. Target as well, hide and ink. Yep, same color. So yeah, we definitely gonna utilize this in my napkin holders. I wonder if the napkins are in here too, because if so, we definitely gonna use those too. So yeah, let's get to decorating, y'all.
Just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go.
Alright y'all, this concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed this little simple fall clean and decorate video for y'all today, and stay tuned for part 2 when I do the kitchen and dining room area, as well as then part 3 of the outside area. So yeah, if you see me with this same shirt on, I am batch recording today to get these videos out to you all, but they won't be posted on the same day. I know you like post it all on one day, but no, I'm gonna spread it out so you can enjoy the moment of each video and be waiting on for the next one to drop. So yeah, don't forget to share me out to your loved ones who enjoy decorating videos and everything that I do here on my channel. But if you don't know what I do cleaning, hauls, shop with me, day in life vlogs, try on hauls, you name it, I do it all. That everything that I love to do, I share with you all. So yeah, don't forget, if you are new as well, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because if you are watching, you most likely enjoy what I post here on my channel, and I will catch you all in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.
Go deep, riding on a team, got what you need, baby, won't you keep